Plus-size jumpsuits are the fastest way to look pulled together without fighting a full outfit. One piece gives a clean line, a defined waist, and real comfort for busy moms. In this video, I break down modern jumpsuit styles that feel bold, polished, and easy to wear from morning errands to night events, with smart fabrics, flattering necklines, and simple styling tricks every time. Start with fit, not trends. A jumpsuit should skim the body, not squeeze it, and it should let you sit, bend, and move. Look for stretch in the torso, a defined waist seam, and legs that match your shape, tapered for sharp, wide leg for flow. Check inseam options, because hemming changes everything. If the fabric is thin, add shapewear only if it helps, not harms. For a sleek, dressy look, go dark and tailored. An onyx noir zip-front boiler jumpsuit reads modern, especially with a crystal-studded collar for subtle shine. Graphite charcoal or gunmetal shades look sharp in photos and hide small spills. Keep the legs ankle length to show a pointed heel. Add tiny studs and one cuff bracelet. Then let the jumpsuit carry the impact. Blue jumpsuits feel fresh and confident, and they work for daytime or evening. Try Midnight Navy Linen with a pearl button placket for breathability and movement. For a party look, Cobalt One Shoulder with a rhinestone strap gives one clean focal point near the face. A Royal Azure wrap front palazzo style shapes the waist without digging in. Green tones can look expensive when the fabric is right. Emerald satin in a halter cut frames the shoulders and feels formal, but keep the beads near the neckline as the only sparkle. Viridian paper bag waist styles are forgiving after meals and great for long days. Olive off-shoulder works when you want romance without a dress. For casual, sage athleisure with a glossy zip can look polished with low block heels. Modern plus-size jumpsuits give fashion-forward moms a look with less effort, and details make them feel tailored. Choose one strong feature, like a wrap waist, a sharp collar, or a soft wide leg, then keep everything else simple, always. Rotate colors by season and reuse the same heels and earrings. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. I earn a small commission, and you pay no extra cost.